Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you the very simple way of how to record using your GoPro Hero 11 Black. This may be like a basic feature for some people, but if you're new to GoPros, this is just the way to show you how to do it. So on the side here, you'll see that there is a mode button, and when you push on that mode button, it changes to different settings. Right there is how to take a photo. Right there's if you want to shoot a time lapse, and push it one more time. Right there is video. So to start recording, the very simple thing that you do is up here on the top, you'll see that there's a record button. You'll just push down on that and you'll see the ticker start counting at the top, and this is recording now. So to get it to stop, all you do is push that button at the top again, just like that. And now it has saved that clip, and that is how you record on your GoPro Hero Black. Version 11. Go ahead and click a thumbs up on this if it was helpful to you, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.